What's happening, everybody? Y'all know what time it is. And, yep, it's another thing going on, y'all. So, as y'all see, we got another box on the bench. And, I already know what's in this box. I'm going to go ahead and open it. And as I do, I'll explain it to y'all. As y'all can see, the box is a little beat up, like it's a used box or something. But, let's go ahead and open it up. And, thing is, this is a scope from a seller called XOPing. I don't know if I'm saying it properly, but they sent me the scope to try out because I did purchase one, and it didn't work out for me. So I sent it back, and they immediately reached out to me and said, "Hey, look, you don't have to pay us for this one. We'll just send it to you." And, you know, I really believe that's standing by their product. You know, hey, it's an open package already, or an empty package. Everything is just tossed in here, as you can see. It's got scope rings. It's got a laser. Everything is just tossed in here, as y'all can see. Turn on this light. But, you know, I don't know what these boxes. It looks like this was a return. Like somebody returned it or something. It come with a flashlight. Okay. And let me see. It come with the scope, y'all. This is the scope. And straight out the box, that's clearly been returned. You see there's hit the dirt or something right here. It has scuffs. It's clearly a returned product or a used product. Look at the lens. Let's see. It's a 4x16. Oh, 4 to 16 by 50. It has a upper optic on it. Let me go ahead and look through it right quick. Looks all right. Let's see if this thing comes with any kind of batteries or anything. It looks like I'm having a hard time with that closing, but yeah. So let's see what else is in this box. Look like somebody just basically threw everything in here like this. That's the little booklet. So let's just move this box out the way because there's nothing else in there. Let's look at these gadgets here. There go 3 unused batteries. That's good. And towel, Allen wrenches, the green light thing. This is a green light, I'm pretty sure what it is. Look, they left the battery on there. So we know that don't need no battery. But let's see. Let's check it though. There it is, the battery. So that works. So this must be the battery for this, yeah. This is definitely the battery for this flashlight. Drop it in. I bet your Angry Bird is gonna like this one. Oh, check that out, y'all. The battery, the light doesn't work. That's inconvenient. So the battery doesn't work, y'all. Now, I'm not doing no bad mouthing or, this is not a bad review or a review or anything. Just really sharing this with y'all. Maybe I put it on backwards, which I know I didn't. I did put it on backwards, y'all. Look at that. So the flashlight does work, and it's bright. But like I was saying, this is not, to badmouth XOPing. Like I said from the jump, from the beginning. I've never dealt with a seller online that reached out to me like they did and, just really tried to look out and let the consumer know, hey, we apologize, you had that issue with our product. Guess what? We'll send you another one free of charge. Now, they did not say it was going to be brand new, but they did hold up their end of the bargain. You know what I mean? And there it is, y'all. There it is. Oh, let me turn this around so y'all can see. Lay it down so y'all can see better. There it is. So yeah. The one that I originally had was, I believe it was shoot, I don't really remember, man. But I know it didn't have the scope. This scope. It didn't have this flashlight. But there it is. Let's see if this optic works. Let's check it out right quick. Angry Bird, y'all. She's over here hungry. So this is where the battery goes. Let's see if it has a battery in there. There is one battery in there. How many batteries does it take? Heck, we don't know. Maybe all these. So that one's already conveniently open, along with these. So we'll just go ahead and pop these out. So let me see. It's kind of like a mess. I'm trying to stack these batteries here. You gotta throw them in there. Yeah, that's not very. Yeah, this is something to deal with, y'all. So I wasn't really expecting this video to be this long. But that's what it is, y'all. I'm trying to get the batteries to rotate the right way. Let's just say it takes 4 batteries. Okay, maybe it doesn't. Maybe it just takes 2 batteries. How many batteries you think it take, Angry Bird? Let's say 2. It's the reason why I was already wanting it, huh? Yeah, let's just hope I got it on the right. Alright, got them on there backwards. Let me redo it. Yeah, I'm not for this. This optic here is very problematic. I like the other one I had in the beginning. It was basically it took one battery and it was like right up here. Right up here. It's hard to line up that battery or for it to fall properly. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Yep, there go one. I dropped one. That's okay. I'll get it here in a little bit. It's just trying to turn these things. It's very, very inconvenient, y'all. Yeah. Got that one to turn the way I want it. And that one too. Now, let's go ahead and make sure they seated right. There we go. Now I believe it should come on unless the batteries themselves are bad. Okay, this is getting very annoying. Maybe it needs 3 batteries, which I really, really highly doubt it. Let's just see, man. Alright, maybe I need 4 batteries, y'all. Let me go ahead and deal with this and I'll cut y'all back on. Alright, y'all. So we got it on there. Flat would be facing up is the positive. So now we can look in here. This is I don't know, there it is. That is the green dot. You got a red dot. Green again. Let me see. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's a dot, dot. A little dot. So it's a green and red dot. Real cool. And you just push them together to turn it off. I went on and opened up the cap for the reticle. It is a lit reticle also. So let's go ahead and yeah, these caps. I have to work with it some kind of. Let's see if we get anything. There it is. Y'all see the red? There we go. A little better. Green. So yeah, I mean it's functional. But will it meet up to what we're gonna put it on and keep up with it? We'll find out here. We'll let you know. But I appreciate it. XOPing for sending us this. And I do recommend them. At least if you having problems with it, you know, they gonna help you out and try to get things right with you. You know. Check out these mounts. The mounts look alright. But yeah, it's a no-brainer. This is a used product. Somebody returned it or something. it's what it is. But with all that being said, it is. So, alright, y'all. Till next time. Alright, going zero XOPing scope that they sent me. And let's see what it do. We're gonna start at 25 yards. Alright everybody, this is at 25 yards. As you can see, this is shot right here. Second, third, and fifth. So let's see what's up with it. If we can do. All right, everybody. So far, I shot probably like 10 more rounds after the first 5, and that's what it's looking like, y'all. At 25 yards, the XOPing. So we're gonna take her back a little bit. All right, everybody. And at 100 yards, it's rolling in. I was aiming for the top left. It did. Nope, no go. All right, everybody. I did go ahead and zero down to 50 yards, and then pulled it back to 100. So on the 50 yards, I did shoot the top left and the top right. I shot the top left one time and the top. And I'm still no good at 100 yards. All right. So let's try something different. All right, everybody. So decided to leave it alone. Go ahead and zero. This is the optic right here. So far, hey, it's all right. It's hitting consistently right there. So, hey, that's what it is. This is my review for the X scope. And if y'all want to check it out, it's that 4x16 or 4 to 16 about 50. You know what I mean? There it is, y'all. That's how we do. 50 yards.